back. Today we're gonna come
Creepy. Unbox Therapy did a video on it. And I'm just like, man, that thing is so creepy and cool looking, but will he still eat with his face taken off? There he is. This is the first time we're actually seeing one. That's different than I thought that it would feel like. It's really soft, like it almost goes in
It looks
on
like
it.
a frog.
Two Lincoln, get on it.
Here's my coin collection. There should be like fireworks coming out of the top whenever he eats it.
Oh, he did it right at the very end.
Fireworks coming.
Like, bro, I give her this year, man.
Yeah.
Oh, peek it inside his face. Crazy travel adventures over the next week and a half that span the world. Crazy. Follow us on social media. Make sure to follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, and
I got my own Instagram.
Pictures on his new Instagram.